हाय। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करंट अफेयर के बारे में बात करेंगे। सितंबर मंथ के करंट अफेयर, वन लाइनर जो करंट अफेयर हैं, ये आपके यूपीएससी में काम नहीं आएंगे, बट आपका जो स्टेट पीसीएस और बाकी जो स्टेट्स के एग्जाम हैं, एसएससी वगैरह और भी जो एग्जाम्स हैं, इन सभी में काम आएंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को। फर्स्ट न्यूज है डिजिटल पॉपुलेशन क्लॉक। इट वॉज इनॉर्गुरेटेड इन Delhi. Delhi has launched faceless transport service. Banwari Lal Purohit appointed as a new governor of Punjab. Tamil Nadu government commemorate the death anniversary of Subramanian Bharati as Mahakavi Day. Subramanian Bharati is a freedom fighter and firebrand poet of India on 11th of September. South Korea conducted first of its underwater test of a submarine launched ballistic missile. Randhir Singh appointed as a acting president of Olympic Council of Asia. 14 district of Chhattisgarh partnered with Indian Institute of Millets to boost the production of millets. Bhupendra Patel is a new CM of Gujarat. Subramanian Swamy written the book The Human Rights and Terrorism in India. Raja Mahendra Singh University stabilized in Aligarh by PM Modi. Who is Raja Mahendra Singh? Raja Mahendra Singh is a freedom fighter, educationalist and social reformer. 15th of September Engineer Day, celebrate in 15th of September. World's First Aid Day, celebrated on second Saturday of September, and it was held this year 11th of September. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has launched its account in Telegram for countering fake news. WHO with Facebook provide COVID-19 information to the vulnerable section of the world. The Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom declared Kushinagar Airport as a custom notified airport. According to SkyTap, Indira Gandhi Airport of New Delhi comes under top 50 best airport in the world. 14th September Hindi Divas, Project Udan launched by IIT Bombay. Geological Survey of India has discovered teeth of new species whose name is Hypodont Sark of Jurassic age in Rajasthan. MOU signed between Cisco, Ninja, ITC Limited companies with Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare for taking forward digital agriculture. Recently, China launched 24th Earth observation satellite for obtaining radioactive data. Anand Kumar confirmed with the Swami ब्रह्मानंद अवार्ड 2021. आनंद कुमार जिनके ऊपर मूवी बनी थी सुपर 30, ओके, एंड डेनियल रिचार्डो won the Italian Grand Prix award of Grand Prix 2021. Paytm Payment Bank with Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has enabled the country's first FASTag-based metro parking facility. North Korea suspended from 2022 Beijing Winter Olympic by the International Olympic Committee. Tamil Nadu passed a bill which assumed NEET from medical courses. India has handed over Dornier aircraft to Mauritius. It was a part of Vision Sagar. Sagar full form security and growth for all in the region. Haryana became the first state in the country which installed off-grid solar pump under PM Kusum scheme. Niti Aayog with the Rocky Mountain Institute has launched a campaign for zero pollution delivery vehicle. Australia, UK, US has announced a new trilateral security partnership for Indo-Pacific. Greater Noida Industrial Development Authority and United Nations Development Program SDSFC set up dry waste management facility. 16th of September International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. Italy and India sign MOU in the field of disaster risk reduction. Jammu and Kashmir has launched the mission named One Gram Panchayat, One Digital Pay Sakhi. Directorate General of Civil Aviation has partnered with European Union Aviation Safety Agency to achieve common safety and environment protection standards. Recently, China has applied to join Asia Pacific Free Trade Grouping. ISRO is working to develop reusable GSLV Mk3 launch vehicle. KVIC Khadi and Bridge Industry Commission has launched a unique scheme called SPIN. Full form is Strengthening the Potential of India. Next, 17 September observed as the World Patient Safety Day. Ministry of Law and Justice has launched a पैन इंडिया स्पेशल कैंपेन जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एक पहल ड्राइव. पंजाब एनर्जी डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी साइन MOU with Convergence Energy Service Limited for installing public charging station for electric vehicle. Niti Aayog has partnered with VAJU to provide free access to education to students in 112 aspirational districts. Sirara Kong chili and Tamenglong orange receive a GI tag of Manipur state. Together for a shared future is the official motto of Olympic and Paralympic Winter Games, which was held in Beijing in 2022. Ease of Doing Business report has discontinued by World Bank. 18th of September, International Equal Pay Day. Cochin Port Trust launched Swachhata Pakhwada 2021. Karnataka government issues circular against bureaucrats. Kerala has inaugurated South Asia's largest Protect Development Center digital hub to support startups. Northern Coalfield Limited is set to start 75 Fulwari centers in Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat state topped the FSSAI third state food safety index. VR Chaudhary is associated with Indian Air Force. Freedom on the Net report 2021 released by Freedom House topped by Iceland. Niti Aayog released a report titled Reforms in Urban Planning Capacity in India. Niti Aayog has partnered with VAJU to provide free educational opportunity to 112 aspirational districts in India. 22 September World Rhino Day. Purple Revolution related to aromatic crops. Rights to Person with Disability Act 2016 provide legal rights for election to a person with disability. Recently, Government of India has set up 12-member committee for the change in CBSE and NCERT curriculum headed by Kasturi Ranjan. Compulsory registration of marriage bill 2021 passed by Rajasthan government. 21st September World Alzheimer's Day. SECMOL, SECMOL, the Student Educational and Cultural Movement of Ladakh, is the India's highest altitude educational organization located in Ladakh. That's it. I provide you 120 one-liner current affair. It almost cover all the important current affairs of September month, and it will help you in many exams like BPSC, UPPSC, ARO and जो भी आपके स्टेट एग्ज़ाम्स हैं, SSC हैं, बैंकिंग है, इन सारे एग्ज़ाम्स में आपको काम करेगी और ये आपको फास्ट रिवीजन में भी काम करेगा. बाकी थैंक यू सो मच, एंड प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर.